Ladies and gentlemen, let's celebrate 58 days till the Super Bowl LVIII kicks off with an exciting announcement. Excel Cleaning Services has recently been approved as a trusted supplier for the Super Bowl LVIII Business Connect program in glittering Las Vegas. We are over the moon to share this thrilling news with you, bringing all our services, right from disinfecting, paver restoration, complete floor restoration to grout cleaning and sealing, right to the heart of this mega event. What makes this unique is that we are one of more than 200 diverse local businesses in Las Vegas approved for this opportunity. It is a proud moment for us as the Las Vegas Super Bowl LVIII host committee, and NFL recognize us as a certified, experienced company. Without further ado, let me remind you what Excel Cleaning Services is all about. Not only do we provide carpet, rugs, and upholstery cleaning, but also complete floor maintenance including hardwood, vinyl, and carpet restoration. Our team stands ready to provide exemplary service to all related contracts with Super Bowl LVIII. And last but not least, don't forget to connect with us for a free quote or any other queries at www.excelcleaninglv.com. We are just a call away at 702-290-9398. Excel Cleaning Services, where clean is all part of the game.